So what is advanced manufacturing? Advanced manufacturing can be thought of as the process to take a raw material from a raw material to a finished product that you might see on the shelves. And advanced manufacturing can be thought of as all of the pieces of equipment that are connected together, sharing information with each other, and we're able to collect that data and use that to optimize manufacturing to make it more efficient, produce less waste, and more quality products. The Academy of Advanced Manufacturing was an initiative developed by Rockwell Automation and the Manpower Group to develop hands-on training with their equipment. So this program is 22 credits over the course of 14 weeks, spending about 36 hours a week in class. At the end of this program, you'll have a certificate that you can immediately enter the workforce using, or you can take that certificate and be about a third of the way to an associate's degree in advanced manufacturing technology.
With the 14-week course, it did a lot to get me to a point to where I feel that it's a very good starting point in order to further a career in automation.
Our class formats are typically small format class sizes with one dedicated instructor, and usually a mixture of hands-on learning and some type of e-learning online as well.
The majority of the classes was actually lab time, and all of that time was pretty much spent on lab components and learning the different actual physical aspects of how the systems work.
So this equipment is actually a mechatronic station. This is an example of the devices that we use at Gateway to be much more knowledge and much more experience and be more prepared inside of an industrial manufacturing environment.
So some of the skills that students will develop throughout the course of this certificate program, we start out assuming no basic hands-on skills. So we start with simple, here's how to use a wrench, screwdriver, and things like that. And we work our way up through there and working how to debug mechanical systems, learn how to investigate the programs in the PLC programs, or the programmable logic controllers, which are the brains of automated equipment. And then we get into some robotic programming. Towards the end of the program, we try to put this all together, and students will actually work on a project towards or for a reverse job fair that we do with local employers.
And not only that, but we're also creating programs. They allow us to express our creativity, especially in this recent event in the Reverse Career Fair. We were able to create projects that accumulates and integrates all of our knowledge that we learned within this semester.
My most enjoyable experience is definitely when I got to work with the robotic arms, and I had ended up creating a project for a job fair that involved the robotic arm. I had a lot of fun with that.
We're seeing a large demand for students in the advanced manufacturing field in roles such as an automation technician, a controls technician, things like that, at many manufacturers with a starting salaries averaging around $49,000 per year. If you're a hands-on learner and you enjoy solving problems and working on high-tech equipment, I think this program would be a great fit for you.